Hey everyone, I didn't realize how vintage this kit was. This is an Athearn kit that I'm told from research I did is from like the 40s and 50s. So this kit is like somewhere around 70, 80 years old. But this Rail Express Agency refrigerator car is all metal and wood. So not all metal, it's metal and wood. And there's the roof section that comes off. We gotta put all that fun stuff together. Plus the details pieces are in these envelopes, the old-fashioned way of putting things together. There are no trucks. I got to get my own trucks for this. And here's the construction hints. There's hints about the trucks and couplers not furnished in the kit. So, and this is the diagram. Check that out. This is so cool looking. And when I'm done, I may not even run this on my layout. I might just use this as a display piece.